In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a section group. If your OneNote notebooks are getting crowded with lots of sections, a section group is a simple way to bundle related sections together so your workspace stays clean and easy to navigate. Think of it like a folder that holds multiple section tabs under one label, which is perfect for big projects, semesters, or teams. Start by opening your notebook in OneNote. Make sure you're in the specific notebook where you want this organization to live, because a section group belongs to that notebook only. If you have multiple notebooks, glance at the title bar or the notebook list to confirm you've opened the right one before moving on. With the notebook open, look along the top for your section tabs. These are the colored labels that represent each section. Now right-click on any existing section tab at the top. If you're on a Mac, you can control-click, and on a touch device, a long press works the same way. This brings up a context menu with options related to sections and organization. From that menu, select New Section Group. If you don't see it immediately, scroll the menu a bit or look for the organization-related commands. The wording should be exactly New Section Group. The moment you choose it, OneNote creates a new, empty container designed to hold other sections, helping you nest content and reduce clutter in your main section row. You'll now be prompted to name your new section group. Type a clear, descriptive name that makes sense at a glance, such as the project name, a course term, or a team area. Keep it short but meaningful so it's easy to identify later. Avoid putting any personal or sensitive information in the name. When you're happy with it, press Enter. OneNote saves the name and adds the section group to your navigation. After you've named it, you'll see the new section group in your section list. When you open it, the interface focuses on that group so you can work with its contents. You'll know you're inside the group by the breadcrumb or navigation path, and you can always back out to the main notebook view when you're done. That's all it takes. Open your notebook, right-click any section tab, choose New Section Group, then type a name and press Enter. With just these steps, you've created a tidy home for related sections, making your notes more organized and your workflow smoother.